Hi there. So today we're unboxing the Xiaomi Redmi Buds 6 Play. And I'm very excited because these buds are packed with some amazing features, including AI noise cancellation and up to 36 hours of total battery life. Opening up the box, you get the earbuds inside your charging case, the manual, and different sizes of ear tips. Now let's take a closer look at everything. First up, the manual. It's very detailed, and if you're new to wireless earbuds, it's definitely a good read. Next, inside this little bag, you get two additional pairs of ear tip adapters in different sizes. That's great because you can switch them out for a more secure and comfortable fit. And lastly, we have the charging case. It looks very sleek and premium, and it's extremely compact, easy to slip into your pocket or bag. It features a USB Type-C charging port, which is always a plus. Popping open the case, you find the earbuds safely nestled inside with a magnetic fit, so they snap into place securely. Overall, I'm very happy with these earbuds just from the unboxing, and I can't wait to start using them. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.